Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all my slimes. So, I'm going to be showing you crazy art. Of course crazy art. All of them are almost crazy art. Is there any crazy art? Doesn't say. But yeah, these are all from crazy art. Some of these are from Slime Factory. Yeah, Slime Factory. Yeah. So yeah, we're going to go to big to small. So let's get started. Well, these are the first two ones. So let's get started to the first slime. So guys, yeah, I got the first slime. These are too small, so I'm gonna put that one aside. So yeah, first is this Goobies. It's actually really stretchy. And guys, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells like coffee and it smells like dark chocolate. Look at this. Actually, like, looks pretty gross looking. Can you guys see me? Oh yeah, I guess you guys can see me. Yeah. Oops. That was a slime that wasn't on me. So guys, we're moving on to our next one. Yes, it's of course the soda one. Yeah, it's of course the soda one. So, boom. Comment below what you think, guys, this is. Cause it really smells like. If you had a guess, what was it? Guess when I say what it smells like. It smells like Coca-Cola, Diet Coca-Cola, or Coca-Cola Zero, Coca-Cola, and Pepsi. Pepsi Zero, Pepsi. So take your guess now, pause the video, and comment down below, like scroll down, comment down below what you guys think this smells like, because even though you can't even smell it, but take your best guess, like I'll guess, probably Coca-Cola, if I was you guys, so yeah. So we're gonna move on to our next gallon slime, which is the sour green apple crazy art slime. I'm so hyped today. Woo! That's cringy. Okay. So yeah, the top on this. And take your slime. It's really cold. And I'll make this as a green apple drink or apple. Yeah. Yeah, also I got 3 gallons of slime. And they're pretty cool. Pretty cool. So yeah, this smells really good. It smells like sour green apple, like I said. Can you guys see me? Comment below. I can make a bubble. Let's see if I can make a bubble right now. I can make a bubble like on the table or something. But it's also really crunchy. So guys, this is the slime. Let's move on to our next slime. So yeah, guys, this is our next slime. It is a clear crazy art slime. Can you guys see me? Comment below. I'm just kidding. God, this is going all over the place. Ah! It's on my sock. Oh, that was on my sock. Okay, so. Oh my God. Hold on, that's from this hair is from my sock. Yeah, this hair is from my sock. Okay. Oh my God, I can see you clear. It's actually pretty cool though. They're all cool. So yeah, guys, that was this slime. So let's move on to our next and final one. Let's go. So guys, this is the final and last one. It did have a top layer, but I just left that for now. Just let you know it's on this. Yeah, this is the last slime. It is kind of stretchy, but it says fluffy on it. See if you guys can see. Oh my God, this is so hard. It feels like you just made a slime and you did not do the proper way to make this fluffy, black, fluffy slime. I just said fluffy twice, but whatever. My hands are all black. So guys, that was the last one, and we're moving on to the kinetic sand. Yeah, it was a surprise. Haha. Yeah, so we got the kinetic sand. Oh yeah. So we also got some utensils. Yeah, like tools. So we got this spoon with I just like went on about it, didn't it? Yeah, so we got these utensils, however we say that word. We got a fish, a spoon, and a little. You got, of course you can see me. My castle broke. This is a castle. Ow. Yeah, this is it. And we also got a starfish and a little Krabby Patty. I'm joking, it's a crab. Ow, it's in the face. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna make a castle first. I'm gonna have to do it really quick. I'm gonna make all of these shapes. Look at this thing. And then I'm gonna do the crab, and then I'm gonna be done with the video. Look at that crab. What the freak? Look at the crab. It's like moving, so I don't know. So yeah, I'm doing the okay, so I'm gonna I actually did it. Oh. I think this turned really well, and my castle just broke. Oh my. Okay, whatever. So yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Wait, hold on. Yeah. So guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, ring notifications on, and I will see you when I post a new video. Peace out, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.